मैम यहाँ पे ईशा मैम, तो ईशा जी आपकी राइट में, सो मैम से ईशा मैम सामने यहाँ पे, ईशा जी राइट में चलिए, वो तो किसी का राइट साइड, मैम सोलो, वन सिंगल मैम सोलो, ईशा जी एक सोलो, वन सिंगल सोलो, थैंक यू सर, चलो मैम यार आराम से सो मैम से लुक एट राइट साइड बोथ ऑफ यू, ईशा मैम सामने, मैम सोलो, मैम यहाँ पे, ईशा जी आपको सोलो चाहिए, मैम स्ट्रेट मैम, ईशा मैम, ईशा जी यहाँ से स्टार्ट कीजिए, मैम यहाँ से, ईशा मैम यहाँ, ईशा जी मैम यहाँ से, ईशा जी आपके राइट, ईशा मैम आपके राइट कौन है यहाँ, मैम सामने, ईशा जी एकदम राइट में देखिए ना, ईशा मैम
Yesudas ji is singing a Hindi song. He returns to Bollywood after a gap of 20 years. It's a big news. So we are very glad that he is part of our movie. So without any further delay, there is so much about this movie that 200 because there are so many. So we welcome you, ma'am. Now I would like to hand over to our director, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I welcome you all on this occasion of trailer launch. I'm very humbled to see the response from the media, audience, and the general public. I think we can talk later once we launch the promo. Probably that will be the better time to talk about the movie. Now I'll ask Satya to say some words.
First of all, thank you so much, our proud funders and media, and especially Asia, for taking out time and coming here. Sorry, we kept you waiting for a while, but Bombay traffic. Anyways, so Praveelji is my brother-in-law, and he has a passion for making a good cinema. And he's a MBA from IRMA, and he told me once, let's make a cinema, because in the Indian market, and there are a lot of commercial things happening, but some message to the country, what we have left out, our elders, especially in our busy life in Bombay and in other metros. So his passion was so intense, I believed in him, and the script was so good. And of course, the proud funders, what they have shown the confidence and love, I'm really thankful to them. And our attempt was to make a cinema, a good cinema. And now the audience will decide how they felt it and how we are going ahead. So I would like to say thank you for everyone. And my family, my brother, everyone. Especially Aisha is a family to me. She's my Rakhi sister. When I told her that, can you take out little time? It's really important even for me and my family. So I know her very well from last 15 years. So this was a great moment for our family, and I'll just pass on mic to Aisha for a few words. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sattu. Thank you, Praveen. Thank you, Dave. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm really happy to be here for, like Satya said, a family. I have been associated with, I've been associated with for I think 15, 16 years. We've been training, and through the course of time, I got to know his sister Geeta, who's married to Praveen. And I've known for a very long time that Praveenji has been wanting to make a very meaningful film. In fact, you had given the script a long time back to read as well, and I'm really proud and happy that finally the film is made, and that too with public funding, which is beautiful. And this topic is a very sensitive topic, I think, not just to the filmmakers, I think to all us Indians out here who really value our elders in the family, whether it's our grandfather, grandmother. I come from the school of thought where no matter how far away a relative is, a blood relative, but at the end of the day, they are old, and it's because of them that we are here. Our generation is here, so we have to respect them and look after them till the last day that they are here with us. Thank you, and I think let's. I'm waiting to see the promo.
I would request you to what we are living life today in the cities. This film looks very simple, but it's not very simplistic cinema. It's a journey of two children, but with this journey, I believe very personally, we too travel to our life. This this takes along us to within ourselves. The idea came when I saw many people, neglected in the societies. Those elderly people who have done everything for us, and when time comes to take care of them, we somehow become so busy in our own life that we forget it. So somehow this cinema uh, through these two children is like exploring your own life, and not only life, but these children pose a lot of questions on us, which really makes you think about the way we lead our life, the way we behave, the way we have the family, the way we act in the society. So two, three people are also there. I welcome them also. So, you know, this journey of this movie is really completed by those crowdfunders. And this film, and the people are saying now I really have to go and see the records, but we also believe that this is the first Indian film in Indian history which film's release is possibly made by the public fund, and that's a really love. And now with this, we are moving to theaters on 10th. Uh, I think I should call now. I think Satya and Ishaji, please come, and probably we'll have some question, some opinion on movies. Probably the house I open it for anything. You want to share something?
I just want to say thank you so much to everyone. And this movie is really, and it has some message for the society. And yeah, we need your good luck and, lots of wishes. So thank you again so much. I just want to say this much. Thank you.
Brilliant. Sound. Okay. I really want to watch the entire film. The promo left me on a note where I really want to know what happens to Dadi, and it's very touchy. As I said, I come from the same school of thought, so I would definitely want to watch the movie on 10th of April. All the best, Ravi.
One small incident. My music director is also here. I'll introduce later when we come for the photographs. And the lyricist, Rohit ji, please. Rohit Sharma ji, Rohit ji. He is the music director. And Mr. Ravinder Randhawa is the lyricist. And I am very thankful to you for creating a wonderful composition. When when we approached Yashodas ji, I need to narrate this story because this touched me so much. When I said, probably Rohit ji said, let's try. Yeah. may not sing because he's repeating so many songs. He will not all listen. We are nothing. I said let's try, and we sent the scratch. And 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 1 week, 2 weeks. Suddenly we got a call. Okay, he's ready to sing. It was a day like we got the Oscar. Come on, yeah, Yashudalji is singing. We have been listening and growing with those songs, and he said, okay, come. And then he has a record of singing 16 songs in a day, right? And he said also, and he took 4 hours to sing this song. He said, no, I want to perfect it. I want to make it sure it is perfect, perfect, perfect. And also he said very humbly, he was so humble. We learned a lot. He said, don't worry. If you don't have money, no problem. I'll sing for you anyway. So don't consider that, don't worry. Eh? So that was so beautiful, very heart-touching moments from these greats. In fact, Rohit ji se unhone kaha, personally, I can never imagine the kind of artist can say, Rohit ji, you are guru today. You are my guru. For at least this song, you are my guru, and that was, very, very big appreciation for my music director. I think I should open house for question answer session. Anything you want to wish to ask us? You want to ask something, Isha? And probably you have some questions. Okay, sorry.
ईशा जी हाय आपके सामने ईशा जी आपने
Hi.
कहा कि ये फिल्म आप जाके थिएटर में देखने वाली हैं तो कोई ऐसी भी जगह है जहाँ पर आप पैदल चलकर जाना पसंद करती हैं
Goa.
गोवा
क्यों नहीं? Why not?
और ईशा जी हम आपकी फिल्मों का ट्रेलर कब तक देखेंगे आपकी फिल्मों का ट्रेलर हमें कब तक देखने को मिलेगा बिकॉज बहुत दिन हो गया आपकी फिल्मों का ट्रेलर देखे हुए
फिलहाल मेरा रोडीज का ट्रेलर और इट्स ऑन एयर, सो एंजॉय मी ऑन MTV रोडीज.
और ईशा जी हमारी बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में शादी का भी एक ट्रेंड चल रहा है कई सारे लोगों की शादी भी हो रही है हमने सुना कि शाहिद कपूर की भी शादी होने वाली है तो उन्हें कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगे आप
शादी का ट्रेंड तो नहीं होता है, शादी तो एक इट्स ट्रेडिशन, और जब किसी का एज होता है और उन्हें अपना राइट लाइफ टाइम पार्टनर मिलता है तब जाके कोई शादी करता है. ट्रेंड की वजह से आज तक मुझे नहीं लगा किसी ने शादी किया है.
अच्छा प्रवीण जी एक सवाल आपसे है कि यहाँ पे
Yeah, please.
फिल्म रियल लाइफ से कितनी मिलती जुलती है या इंस्पायर्ड है कहीं से फिल्म
देखिए मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि इस कहानी में एक कहानी किसी एक व्यक्ति की कहानी है, तो निश्चित रूप से एक समाज, इट्स अ मिरर टू आवर लाइफ. आई थिंक मैनी पीपल आर हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ family problems, this kind of neglect, this kind of social isolation, and this kind of elders painful neglect is the worst thing happening in the world now. Worst thing happening. Even the social media has come. We have cut down more than earlier. We earlier used to sit with them and talk to them watching TV. Now we don't watch even TV, and we are busy in our life. So it's like observation of everyone everyday's life, and then the whole story came up. So it is not from a particular person's point of view or some particular story. Thank you.
Hi, so my question is to you here.
Me?
Have you ever, Isha, have you ever walked anywhere barefoot or when and where? If yes.
Tirupati.
Oh wow. And any questions do you have to life because it's questioning life at the end?
Pardon?
Any question do you have towards life saying that कि हाँ ये क्यों कैसे कहाँ कभी?
I would say I consider myself too young to reach that stage to question life so early. With God's grace, we all should have nice, happy, long lives where our children and our grandchildren look after us. And life itself is a beautiful question and mystery, and each day we get answers to all our questions. I would say that's what's interesting about life.
Praveen, my question is to you. Why not any Bollywood celebrities in the movie? It seems like it's been a hard house movie, but no celebrities. Any?
I think the film itself is the answer. The grandmother is 80-85-year-old. She has worked with the Amir's PP Live and Shah Rukh Khan's Swadesh, and the children are still
मैं ये आंसर देना चाहूँगा कि तो मैं ये आंसर देना चाहूँगा कि स्टोरी तो हर किसी की लाइफ में रोज़ होती है, और अगर आप कोई फिल्म से कुछ सीख के जाते हैं और कुछ मैसेज लेके जाते हैं, तो वो एक अच्छा स्टोरी बोल लें, या अच्छा सिनेमा बोल लें, या अच्छा एक टीचिंग लेसन बोल लें। तो सबकी लाइफ में वही प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन सब लोग कुछ आइटम नंबर या दूसरे सॉन्ग्स देखना चाहते हैं, लेकिन हम वो भी देखते हैं और ये लोगों को दिखाना चाहते हैं कि कुछ देख के आप सीख के जाएं, तो वो हमारा मोटो सॉल्व होता है उससे। तो जस्ट एक पैशन था हम पूरी फैमिली का, ये कुछ ऐसी फिल्म बनाएं कि लोग बोले यार इसमें कुछ मैसेज था। तो बस इसी दौरान ये फिल्म फाइनल हुई और बन के आज आपके सामने है।
So one more question: do you enjoying Rodi's season this time?
Yeah. Isha is looking so nice, and no. What she has sent me is some photos. She was looking so nice, and good luck for the show. And she's happy. The most important thing to do something which interests her. Yeah, am I right?
Okay, fine. This is a feature film. Okay, it is the beauty is that this film is on an international format about 84 minutes, 85 minutes, and because we never wanted to stretch unnecessarily. The kind of cinema it has to be within that limit. Child artist, this girl is Sara Nahar from Ahmedabad. It took me 6 months and more than 500 auditions. Sometimes in the mall looking at some girls, and people say, "Oh, what are you doing, man, looking at the girls?" Like this. And it took many cities, and then finally I found she is in Ahmedabad, an NID professor's daughter, and she has very intellectual look, and you can see the intensity in the eyes, and I said, "Okay, this is my philosopher, child." And then it didn't take me more than 5 minutes to convince the parents. They were very happy. The boy is from Mumbai, Prakhar, and they really performed wonderful. I think many people have seen the greats of the cinema, world cinema have seen this film because of my sorry.
Prakhar is his son.
See, that was another case. It is not because my son saw it, because it was exam time, and I was very firm. I will shoot only in January. Also, the 4 seasons, all locations, and I decided that this is the time I have to shoot, whether I make this year or that year or that year. It will be only in the January. Then whatever boys we selected, they all, one by one say, "No, we have exam, we have exam, we have exam." Then my cinematographer one day, he came from the cricket practice and said, "Oh, why don't you take Prakhar?" I said, no, I won't. Then he heard it. It's okay, well, I'll act. If you give me one Xbox, then okay, I'm available. And I knew he's in a 50% kind of thing. We don't care much about the education of, marks and all that. It's okay, let's try this guy. And then I think they both together really did wonder. But it's because of him I'm announcing. Otherwise, I don't, say he's my son anyway.
So Praveen, have you written the script here?
Yeah,
have
sorry.
you written the script, and how did you go about the scripting during the?
Okay. It took 1 year to prepare the whole thing. Only one draft. The script has only one draft. I completed the script, dialogue, and everything. And then naturally, my good friend of Ajay, he's also sitting here. He acted in the movie also as a typist. He's sitting here. And we read once. I said, no, we will not, make it like, designed script. We don't want to design. Let it be whatever comes in the, art. We have written it, and now let's go and shoot it. And but yes, we were very prepared. After that script, that we went same place 4 times in a different season. Logged the place. We are shooting this place, this place, this place, this place, because we had very limited budget. We wanted a very good landscape, timings of the landscape, seasons, characters, backdrop in those landscapes. So I would say this is very, the script is from very hard. It has not kind of thing you write a drama, this, that. It has to be beginning, it has to be end, it has to be this. So it is not in a very conforming pattern of scripting of the cinema. I think we should ask something. Okay. I tell about the crowdfunding. As I said, that gentleman in the festival said me, "Why don't you do this?" And I said, "Okay." Then we started. Then what to do? He said, "Okay, we took 6 laptops. I had my laptop already, and 4 laptops on rent. And then four girls and one my friend, 6 people sitting on the. Then we decided we called some digital marketing companies from different Delhi, Bombay. They said we will do this, we'll make a banner, we'll make this, we'll float, and the money will start coming. But you have to host the page on some funding companies, and after that the people will come and put the money. But remember, most crucial thing, we have broken the myth. She said actually, 95, 98% money will come from your friend and family. And I said, if my friends or family are going to put money, then why I need to give anybody 10%? I just say, Praveen, we'll put money and I'll make the. Why should I go for anything? Then we said, no, we'll not ask anybody to put money from my family side. We decided not to put anybody request for funding to family. And then gradually we started, sending personal messages without spending any single paisa on any promotion or advertising. We started sending Facebook personal messages. Dear Mr. Ramesh, something like this. Dear Mr. Rajesh, we made a movie. If you like the trailer, you will love the cinema film. This film has been to many festivals, and now we request you to help us. If you wish, we can discuss further. And within 3 hours, the first money came from Hyderabad, CEO Agri Business, ITC division. He just saw the trailer, he said, I loved it. And he sent the money immediately. Within 3 hours, we were so happy. Beginning is good. And gradually, people started from, some Canadian lady, Canadian, not Indian, Canadian origin lady, that I'm a retired teacher. I have seen the movie. I want to give you whatever I can give you, and I want this film to be seen in India. Some Dutch lady yoga, some Australian, some from many countries, And then gradually every day money starts coming slowly. And we did many things new in India first time on the social media. We were very honest. I said very clear to all team members, those were young people at 18, 19, 20, no experience on any marketing. Even I was, new also. And then we kept one thing very simple. We will be very honest. Even somebody shouts us, we say sorry. We don't have any other routes to reach you. So out of so many mails, I think we have sent around 30, 40, 50,000 mails, 50,000 messages in 45 days. 5 people shouted on this. How can you breach our privacy and sending us messages, this and that? I will complain this and that. I said sorry. I humbly say sorry, but we don't have. You are the only source. And out of those 5, 3 are our funders now. they started saying, okay, tell me, I'll help you. Let me see. One day, let me see. They said at the last day, one gentleman $1,000 from USA. He said, okay, Praveen, I'm part of your film. So that was the power of honesty. Because I said we will be honest like our movie. Even I'm very poor in articulating the words. I'm very poor. You are realizing this. You are interacting with every people every day. But we say we speak from the heart. So whatever we are doing till now, we have 1,500 social media marketing volunteers in India now. There is 200 bloggers ready to write about this movie. Many bloggers have compared this movie with greats of world cinema. Many.
के लिए कोई सब्जेक्ट आपने सोचा है या you want to like direct or produce any film?
Direct, I don't know right now, but definitely produce. Still in the process of thinking, and definitely I would also want, like Praveen said, the cinema to be the attraction besides stars in the film.
Isha,
हाँ आजकल ट्रेंड है ना क्रिकेट देखना, तो मैं देख रही हूँ. Well, of course, I would like to wish our team all the very best. They've reached the semi-finals, and looking forward to the match on Thursday. So yeah, I think everyone's going to take a holiday on Thursday. इस समय मेरा फेवरेट प्लेयर था पहले से, अभी भी है, धोनी है. और I also really enjoyed watching Yuvraj on the field. We definitely miss him on the field.
Isha, Isha here. As this film is about elderly people, have you ever seen someone elderly in some bad condition and you've helped them or something like that? Ever?
Fortunately, of what I have seen from the families that I come from, as everyone knows, my dad's house is literally mini Punjab. Anyone in trouble in Punjab, mostly elders, all his relatives, he has so many, they all are taken care of in the house. Similarly, my mom, we grew up with a lot of South Indian women in our household, from my grandmother to my grand aunt, lots of them, and my mom looked after them till their last days. And I am very happy and lucky that my husband and his family come from the same school of thought where they have relatives kept and looked after. So I definitely would like to teach my children the same principles. And I only have seen in movies that uh, I fortunately have not seen. I mean, if I do get, if I ever see some elderly person, in trouble or in need, I am the kind of person who will definitely go out and help them. But so far, I've only seen it in movies because of me seeing my grandparents being and the elders being looked after very well.
When this Help Age India for for the cause of the people, so they are our charity partner, and we proudly say that. I mean, I'm happy to have them. Thank you, sir.
Praveen,
Yeah.
from we met a year ago and I came from Chicago and saw this, and
Okay.
it's such an amazing film, and the theme really.
5 years. That much I can promise you. This is so powerful because I have seen. Why I'm saying so, because it's not my personal experience, but I have seen in the 14 festivals, 12 festivals, the people, the kind of shocking impact it has. It makes them think. That's why I'm believing it will affect the American people also, the Indian NRIs also, like in UK, Australia did, and many other places. I'm sure people will take. And this is not a preachy cinema.